Hey, what's going on guys? Tony here from LearnAutoBodyAndPaint, and in this quick 5-minute video, I'm going to show you how to make your paint mask last longer. Now this is a brand new paint mask. I used it once for primer. Well, actually base coat on a motorcycle tank and some clear coat work and primer. So I basically used it for about a day, okay? Brand new. Here's a tip that I learned from my dad, who's been painting for over 30 years in the auto body field. Okay, so all you're going to be doing is getting some toilet paper. Pretty funny, right? But we take two sheets is all we need per side, and this is how you do it. So when you get a brand new face mask, okay, we're using the basic paint mask from 3M here with the organic cartridge filters. This is pretty much good for the 6001 series. Is pretty much good for any kind of painting. Okay, of course you're gonna have to change these out every once in a while, you know, maybe every 10 or 12 paint jobs or so, depending on how good your ventilation is in your booth or garage. But take a look, I already have my toilet paper filters on here. It saves the original filter, the pre-filter, so they don't get caked up too quickly. So take a look at that. Okay, again, we only did a little bit of red base coat and primer. You can see how the toilet paper kept this piece, the pre-filter, nice and clean. And you could reuse, I mean, this usually lasts a good while, but most people just set it up like that and they go bad really quickly. You do get spares when you buy a new air filter like this, mask. You get 4 of these, okay? But here's a super simple trick to make them last longer. So as you can see, here it says mask side. Okay, so you want to make sure this is the mask side. Okay, so this is your mask side, so that goes like that. But what we're gonna do is put a new piece of toilet paper right in here like this. Okay, and then we're gonna put the pre-filter on like this, right? We'll make sure it's centered. Okay, that's all you gotta do. And then it snaps right on your mask. And you could leave this for, you know, maybe a paint job or two. And that's pretty much it. Okay, it's a pre-filter. You don't have to change it out on every paint job. Maybe every 2 or 3 paint jobs you can change your toilet paper out. And it really saves your mask and it makes it last a lot longer because you're getting that coarse air, you know, the paint particles right in here. And this is a very, very good trick to make your whole mask in general to last longer, and it doesn't make it any harder to breathe. I mean, it's the same thing. So let's just do this side quickly. You know, this was a VIP tip that I used to give a lot of my Learn Auto Body and Paint VIP members, but we're just gonna put this on YouTube because, you know, everybody's wearing masks nowadays, and I just wanted to help people with their masks and have them last longer, especially their paint mask. A lot of people don't talk about this, and this is good for the reusable masks. Okay, some paint masks, you don't have the feature to reuse them like this, right? But we're lucky because with these, you can't. So it's actually better to put the toilet paper in first, put that pre-filter on, and then you can hold this out, okay? And then you just snap it in, and it seals really well around here. So if it looks like this, that's fine, okay? You got your pre-filter in here, okay? And that's it. Now you're ready to go painting. Works really well. So I hope you enjoyed the tip. Let me know your takeaways down below in the comment. Click here to grab a free 85-page auto body and paint manual if you want to learn more about auto body and paint, how you can customize your own projects from home, do a body kit, whatever you're doing, or down below in the links. Check it out. A lot of good information. Comment below, like, share, subscribe. Talk to you soon. Bye.